Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 4 and we will try to solve the questions of exercise 4. Before we start, I want to know and I hope that you have done successfully complete exercise 3 before the class. I have told you, explained you how will you make the exercise 3. If you have any question, any doubt regarding previous classes, you can ask me through the comment box or you can phone also me. Okay, now today we will start exercise 4. See exercise 4, question number 1. Find the place value of the underlined digit in each of the following numerals. For these numerals, you have to find the place value of the underlined digits. See here, you are looking here. This is underlined digits, and in each numerals you will see any one digit having underline. So you have to find that underlined digits place value. So for this you have to know that underlined digits in which place, in which period and in which place you have underlined digits. Numerals, see numerals A number 10,791, and you can see at the 9th digit there is underline. So you have to calculate and find the place value of 9 in this numerals. So as you can see, 9 is situated at 10th place. So after multiplying the 10th place value is, as you know, 10. So 9th place value in this numeral will be 9 multiplied by 10 is equal to 90. So how much the place value of 9 will you have in these numerals? 90. Likewise, see B number question. Numeral is 23,076 and you are having underline in at 3, which is at the place of 1000 place, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So this 3 is having the place 1000. So for finding the place value you have to multiply 3 by 1000. 1000 is the place value of 1000 place. So 3 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 3000. So 3's place value will be 3000. Likewise, C number 4 is at the 10,000 place. So 4 is multiplied by 10,000 in this question. In this question, D number 6 is situated at 10th place. So its place value will be 6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60. Likewise, E number C, 8 is situated at lakh place. So 8 will be multiplied by 1 lakh and 8 lakh will be place value of 8. And 5 is at the 10 lakh place. So 5 is multiplied by 10 lakh and 50 lakh will be the place value. Likewise, you will do question number 1. Okay. Now come question number 2. See students, question number 2. Find the place value of each of the digits in the following numerals. So in this question you have to write and find the place value of all digits, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, whatever digits and places required to you find out, you have to find that. Here is lakh places numeral 2,13,504. So you have to calculate and find the place value of all digits. So I am showing you a question, the number to solve. After seeing that, you will definitely able to solve these questions. See students, this is the number of question number 2, and I am showing you the way by which you will solve this type of question number 2 A to Z. You will solve this question by, you have to first know, you should know what you are asking to required in this question. So in this question you have to find out all the place value of all digits. So you will solve this like this. Place value of 9 in this numeral will be 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9. As 2 is at the place of 10, so 2 is multiplied by 10th place value is 10, so here you will find 20. 0 is now the time of 100 place, and at the 100 place you are having 4, so 4th place value will be 400. For the place of 0 there will be nothing place value, because if you can multiply 0 by 1000 you will find 0. So now for 6, because it is at the 10,000 place, so it will be multiplied by 10,000 and its place value will be 60,000. Now come to 8 number. This is at the lakh place, so it will be multiplied by 1 lakh and place value will come out 8 lakh. And now place value for 3, because it is situated at 10 lakh place, so it will be multiplied by 10 lakh and the place value will be 30 lakh. Okay, come to the next question. See student, question number 3. Find the difference between the place value and face value of 6 in this numeral. This is 4,61,503. So in this question you have to find the difference between the 6 place value and face value. So students, first you should know what is face value. Face value is the number itself irrespective of the place in which he resides. It means whatever place 6 is having, its 6 place face value will be 6 only, either in which place it resides. Irrespective of that, any place it resides, face value will be that number itself, and place value will be, as I told you earlier, that will be multiplied by 6 multiplied by its place value 10,000, 60,000. So you will calculate this like, see question number 3. You are given this numerals 4,61,503, and in this question you have to find out the difference between 6 numbers place value and face value. So what will be the place value of 6? Place value of 6 will be 6 will multiplied by 10,000, that will be 60,000. And face value of 6, it will be the number itself at whatever place it may reside. The face value will be that number exactly. itself. So after subtracting, this will come out 4, 9, 9, 9 and 5. So this will your answer. Okay. See question number 4. Find the difference between the place value of 3 and 7 in the numeral of 1,03,476. In this question, you have to find the difference between 7th place value and 3rd place value. See, you have to find out in this question 3 numbers place value, difference between 3 numbers place value and 7 numbers place value. So 3 number place value is 3000 minus 7 number place value is 70 . This will 9 and 2. Your answer will be 2930. See question number 5. Find the difference between the place values of 8 in 48,96,500 and 50,80,776. So look student, here is you are given 2 numerals. First numeral is this and second numeral is this, and in both numerals you are having 8. Okay, so you are asked to calculate the difference of this 8th place value and this 8th place value. So you will solve like this. See student, you are given 2 numerals in question number 5, and for the digit 8 you have to find the place values difference. In this numeral, 8th place value is 8 is at lakh place, so its place value will be 8 lakh after multiplying 8 by 1 lakh, and in this numeral 8th place value will be 80,000 because 8 is having 10,000 place. So now you can calculate difference easily. 8 lakh will be subtracted by 80,000 and your answer will come out, that will be 7,20,000. Okay, rest questions I will solve in next class. Till then, be safe and continue your practice at home. Thank you very much.